Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be blacking out the wheels on my 2020 Ford F-150 using a new product from dipyourcar.com, and it is called Hyperdip. So I picked up a wheel kit for this truck. They sent me 5 cans of these and a couple different other things that I'll show you guys as I'm using it. The color is piano black. The shine, the color, the finish, the overall finished product is similar to Plastidip in the sense that it's like a peelable paint if you decide that later on you want to go with a different color or you want to go back to stock, but it's just supposed to be overall a much higher quality finished product. So I'm really excited to give this product a try, and I'll walk you through the whole process of how to do it.
It's time to get to work. Get to work, boys.
Okay, so if you decide to buy one of these wheel kits, it'll come with 5 cans of whatever color that you decide to purchase, a can of pre-dip spray, which is what you're going to be spraying onto these microfiber towels that you're using to clean off the wheel before you start actually painting them, and then a little bottle of what they call dip release, and that's what you put around the tire. That way you can easily remove any overspray that's on the tire if you're leaving it on the truck while painting it. It also comes with these plastic bags right here that you can stick behind here that'll cover up like the brakes and the calipers and all that good stuff. So that's everything that comes in the kit. I believe it was around 80 bucks. Okay, so step 1 is going to be to use the can of included pre-dip spray and a microfiber towel to completely clean the wheel that you're painting from any dust, debris, or anything like that. Alright, now with all the wheels completely clean and everything, it's time to apply this dip release product to the tire all around the outside of the wheel. That way the excess Plastidip will be easy to remove once we've sprayed the wheel. And now that the body of the tire is completely covered with the dip release, take these plastic bags that they provide and feed it in behind the wheel right here to protect your brakes and your calipers and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so we've got the wheels completely cleaned, prepped, our plastic things are behind the wheels to protect the brakes and all that kind of stuff. So now we're going to give this can a good shake for about a minute, and then we're going to spray. Now the spraying process for this is definitely different from the typical Plastidip. When you did the original one that I used to paint the emblems and whatnot on my truck, you did 1 coat, and the first one was 50% coverage, and then you apply your wet overlapping coats after that. With this Hyperdip stuff right here, it's a much more thinner product than the standard Plastidip. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit it with 2 very light coats first, and then we'll apply some of the heavier coats over the top of it. So 2 light coats first, and then 5 to 10 minutes in between coats, and then we'll start doing the heavier stuff over the top of that. Okay, here's coat number 1. As you can tell, most of the chrome and the shininess is gone. It looks a lot more smoked right now. Stuff like this apparently is pretty common on the first couple coats because it is a much thinner product, but it'll eventually get covered up and smooth and wet itself out as you apply more coats. So here's what the first coat looks like. 5 to 10 minutes between coats, and then we'll hit another light coat, and then we'll start applying it a little bit thicker. Okay guys, so the 7th and final coat has finally been applied. It looks awesome. It definitely has that nice look that I was going for with it. I'm excited to do the little reveal shots for you guys and show you guys what the finished product looks like.
I'm just calling to say I
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are brand new to the channel, consider subscribing. These are just one of the many things that I'm going to be doing to this truck as time goes on, and I'm just really excited to see how the channel grows and how the truck, continues to change and continues to look. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.
I'm just calling to say I